Today we're looking at this Gigabyte case. It's the C102 Glass Ice. It's an mATX case which has got a nice view from the side, and it's also got a nice mesh front as well as intakes from the side as well. Today we're taking a look at the Gigabyte C102 Glass Ice PC case, which is a mATX case. It's got a sleek and durable chassis built with a steel frame and a tempered glass side panel. The packaging is simple yet effective. It's a standard brown box with black print. The front shows an illustration of the case, while the back provides a detailed exploded view of its components. On the side you'll find specifications and QR codes for additional information. Inside, the case is well protected to ensure it arrives in perfect condition. Accessories come neatly packaged in a small plastic bag inside the case. These include 5 plastic cable ties, screws, fittings and a basic user manual to help with assembly. Now onto the case itself. The Gigabyte C102 Glass Ice combines a sturdy steel frame with a tempered glass side panel, offering a clean and modern design that showcases your internal components. It features built-in cable management channels for a tidy setup and includes multiple drive bays to accommodate for your storage needs. For cooling, it offers various mounting points for fans and radiators, giving you the flexibility to customize your cooling solution. The front I/O panel provides standard USB 3.0 ports and audio jacks for everyday connections, but one drawback is the lack of a USB Type-C connection, which might be a consideration for those looking for faster connectivity. The case comes with 2 pre-installed fans, which is a good start but probably lacking in reality, and there's no fan hub or RGB hub included, and the fans are not RGB either. Speaking of fans, the fan on the front of the case, which is towards the bottom, is removed via 4 screws from inside the case. 2 of the screws are underneath the PSU shroud, so you will need to make sure that area is clear before you can remove or replace the fan with other ones. So if you've got hard drives installed already or a power supply, it might make things a little difficult. Even though the case is quite small, it can support up to 3 120mm fans on the front or the top, or you can swap those out for 140mm fans where it can fit 2 either on the front or the top. You can also fit 2 120mm fans on the side and 1 on the rear. This does mean you can fit a 360mm radiator on the front or top of the case if you wish, a 240 on the side and a 120 on the rear. The case also supports graphics cards up to 410mm long, power supplies up to 200mm, and CPU height of 165mm for your cooler. Storage wise, the machine will support up to 2 2.5-inch drives, or 2 2.5-inch drives, or you could replace one of the 3.5-inch drives with a 2.5-inch drive, which will give you a total of 3 2.5-inch drives. Another minor design choice is the rainbow coloured tip to the audio jack. While it doesn't affect functionality, it might not match the aesthetics of your build. One thing to note is this case does not come with any RGB lighting. While the tempered glass panel is perfect for displaying your components, it won't appeal to those looking for vibrant lighting effects out of the box. The Gigabyte C102 Glass Ice is a solid choice for builders seeking a clean, minimalist design with practical features. However, it lacks some modern conveniences like USB Type-C support and RGB lighting. If you're looking for a reliable and straightforward case, this could be a great fit, but for those wanting more advanced features, you may want to explore other options. Introducing Gamers Beat Cancer, the UK charity using the power of gaming via the gift of gaming to bring hope and support to cancer fighters everywhere. They provide gaming equipment, build supportive communities, and raise funds for vital cancer charities. Join us in levelling up against cancer. Donate, volunteer, or spread the word today. Visit gamersbeatcancer.co.uk and let's have more game on, not game over. I hope you enjoyed this video, and know I did. Why not check out one of our other videos by clicking this box up here, or this one just down here. Otherwise, you can give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment below, let us know what you think, and we'll see you next time.